Hey guys, today I'm unboxing tomorrow's laundry. What's up guys, welcome back to Gent Lounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Today we are unboxing tomorrow's laundry. So Tomorrow's Laundry is a premium basic company and they work on a subscription model and also a direct-to-consumer model. So you can buy individual t-shirts and basics from them, or you can also subscribe to a monthly subscription where you get either 2 t-shirts or 1 sweatshirt from them for about almost 50% off their regular price. So the shirt I'm wearing right now is from Tomorrow's Laundry. I did unbox and open 1 t-shirt just to make sure everything fit, make sure the quality was there, and make sure it was worthy of even reviewing for you guys. So Tomorrow's Laundry sent over 3 months worth of what a 3-month subscription would look like from them, and I'm going to unbox it live for you right now. So let's open box number 1. All right, so in the first box we have their Classic Essential Tee in washed ivory and their Classic Essential Tee in Monaco blue. So just by looking at this t-shirt in the bag, I can see that the details are on point. The ribbing around the collar is higher end, the stitch count is higher. The cotton is made in Peru, and if you know anything about Peruvian cotton, it is top quality. So the quality of this tee is amazing. One thing I like about it is the fabric is super soft, but it is also still kind of thick. So a lot of t-shirts, when you get super comfortable, super soft t-shirts, they tend to be very thin, and sometimes they tend to either be somewhat see-through or you can kind of see your nipples through your shirt. So this shirt does not have this issue. Even though it is a white tee, it is a thicker white, and you know, you're still gonna be able to get that nice drape. I will say that the sizing for me runs a little larger than I guess I normally would, so I probably could size down to a medium, but I'm wearing a large right now. So if you like a more relaxed fit, go with your standard size, but if you want maybe a slimmer or tighter fit, you might want to size down. So up next we have the same tee in a blue. So let's just open this up real quick just to check it out. So as you can see, this t-shirt is the same as the white tee. It is just in a navy blue. Maybe we should try it on and see how it fits. And there you go guys. This is the blue tee, fits really well. I do like how it fits in the arms. It is a little looser through the body. Like I said, I could probably size down to a medium, but I like this more relaxed fit these days. So before we move on to box number 2, I think I should mention that their t-shirts come in 2 different lengths. They have a classic fit and a modern fit, and the modern fit is basically 1.5 inches longer than the classic fit. So if you like more of a long line tee or you're a taller guy, I do recommend going with a modern fit. But I did go with the classic fit in all of my selections just because I have a shorter torso and I don't really like the long line tee look all that much, especially when I wear denim jackets and stuff over that. Sometimes it gets a little too long for me. All right guys, moving on to box number 2. So this was the box that I opened originally just to get the first tee, just to kind of try it on. And this gray tee was the first tee in there. I do have to say I love the construction on these just because look at the back of this, how they added kind of an extra panel up here in the shoulders. It just gives that kind of extra detail that makes it a little bit more luxurious and sets you apart from your classic t-shirts. But it's still in the classic fit. They have the pocket up here. And then up next in the subscription box was the Classic Essential Black Tee. So when you fill out your form or your subscription form at Tomorrow's Laundry, you can pretty much add and subtract the colors and the styles of tees you want. So you can do all neutrals, or you can do like the colors of the rainbow. They have a bunch of different colors, but I went with the classics just because that's what I tend to wear all the time. So like the blue and the white t-shirt, this is the Classic Essential Tee just in black. But what I loved about Tomorrow's Laundry is they use pre-shrunk and pre-washed fabrics. So this is going to stay this size and this color and this style every time you wash it, which is a sign of a premium t-shirt, because you know, sometimes you get your t-shirts, they fit great, you go through the wash once and then it goes from a large to a medium. All right, so for the third box we have a hoodie. This is their lightweight French terry hoodie in jet black. So basically, like I said before, with their subscription model, you either get 2 t-shirts or 1 hoodie for $68 a month. And if you use our code from the lounge, you get 20% off on that. But their t-shirts sell for 60 bucks. Their hoodies start at 110 and go all the way up to 130. So you're getting pretty much 50% off if you go with the subscription deal. I'd say it's one hell of a deal because these t-shirts are definitely worth $35, $36 what you're spending for the subscription model. So first impressions of the French Terry hoodie, this thing is super soft. Feels like it's gonna be super comfortable. Looking at the inside of the label, this one is actually made in the USA. So I'm assuming they source fabrics, probably you get the best French Terry in the USA versus the best cotton would be in Peru. So let's try this on, see how it fits. All right guys, so now that I've tried this hoodie on, I am absolutely in love with this. I love how comfortable it is. It's actually very, very lightweight, so it's gonna be perfect for spring and summer. And I love that they didn't put an elastic waistband around the bottom of the hoodie. So, you know, sometimes you get those hoodies that just like suck you in and they make you look like a balloon because they're so tight at the bottom. This has just got like a t-shirt bottom, flows over your pants. It's a very nice length. Like I said, this thing is crazy soft, crazy comfortable, not too thick. I could definitely see me just kind of lounging around the house in this, using this to run errands, using it as a light jacket. All right guys, so that pretty much wraps up my unboxing of tomorrow's laundry. So I got 4 t-shirts and a hoodie over a 3-month period. And I will say it's 100% worth the $68 a month, but we do have a code for you if you want 20% off your first order. You can use the code from the lounge. It will get you 20% off your first order. You can check it out. They have a 100% guaranteed return policy. So, you know, if you want to try a few different sizes, you can. Like I said, I'm wearing a large right now, but I'm very interested to actually try the medium because I think that may actually fit me even better. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. I'll have a link to tomorrow's laundry down below. And if you haven't followed us on Instagram over at gentslounge, give us a follow over there. Cheers.